What if the next big idea to solve a real-world problem came from a 16-year-old with a laptop and 1 week to prove it? That's not a hypothetical. That's a hackathon. Here's how a normal hackathon works. Students are handed a real-world problem. It could be anything. Clean energy, accessibility, climate, healthcare, you name it. They get 1 week. 1 week to research, design, and build a solution. Then on event day, they pitch it to a panel of judges. Some bring working prototypes, others bring slideshows and pure ambition. Scores get tallied, winners get announced, everyone goes home. That's a normal hackathon. The GAAI Hackathon, hosted by the Global Association of AI, goes further. Here, the pitch isn't the finish line, it's the starting line. Students walk away connected, to mentors, to funding, and here's what makes us different. Every dollar raised goes toward getting new technology into the hands of underprivileged kids all around the world. If your company is considering sponsoring us, here's what you get. A 5 to 10 minute speaking slot in front of the room, your brand on banners, your logo on the big screen on stage, your merch on every table. This is your brand physically present, all while funding technology for kids who need it most. And students, ask yourself, are you ready to stop imagining your idea and start building it? You don't need to be a coder. You need an idea and the guts to pitch it. This is the GAAI Hackathon. Real problems, real students, real impact. Let's build something that matters together.